Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Ako na-miss po kayo. So anyway, we have here prepared slides for our students in the upcoming school year 2025-2026. Unang araw ng pasukan. Ipapakita po natin ito sa mga estudyante natin. So, binili ko pala ito for 80 pesos from another vlogger na nagbebenta nito. So, I'll just revise some of the details here para po ma-personalize po natin. You can also have a copy of this. I'll just keep it to you for free since nung nag-asa ko sa kanya if pwede po bang i-resell po ito, I think she mentioned na hindi po pwede. So, ibibigay ko na lang po ito for free sa gusto po. So, mag-message, i-message na lang po ako sa email ko po. May email naman dito sa ating YouTube channel. Anyway, so ito po ang unang slide. So, mag-welcome po tayo sa ating mga estudyante. And then, of course, no tayo estudyante pa, hindi natin alam kung anong ating feeling sa unang araw ng pasukan. So, para po, medyo meron naman tayong a little activity with them. So, I'll just ask them about their feeling, of course, so that I'll know as well. And they can also express. And for the third one, we're going to pray. We can revise this prayer part. We can make it personalized depending on what we want to have to pray. And then we have here the depth admission. I'll just show this to my students. Depth admission, I'll just let them read this depth admission and vision. And also, yes, since it's the first day of the school year, kaming mga advisor, of course, meron na kaming listahan ng mga pangalan ng mga estudyante. So, maybe checking of attendance will do, no? Kasi, para po malaman din namin kung sino ang hindi pumasok sa unang araw ng pasukan. Para po ma-follow up kung tutuloy pa ba sa pag-iiskwela or magka-cancel ng kanyang enrollment. And yes, I'm going to tell them about my role as their teacher. So, I'm going to have another activity wherein they're going to figure me out. So, they're going to solve the problem to find out all about me. So, maybe magiging masaya itong unang araw ng pasukan kapag ito siguro ang ating activity with the students. So, regarding my age, I'm going to ask them to solve this one. And the number of years it takes Earth to orbit the Sun is 1. Multiply that by how many times I've orbited the Sun since I was born to get my age. If I was born, how old am I in 2025? So, I just relate this sa science kasi science ang subject na ating hinahandle. So, I revised the question into relatable or related to science. And then, my birth date, they're going to solve that. And then, how many pets I have, so they are going to solve that as well. The number of years in teaching, so they're going to solve this as well. I started teaching in 2013, just like how a comet returns every few years. I've been around the sun many times while guiding young minds. How many years have I been teaching by 2025? Just like how a comet. Anyway. And then, so this is all about the subject and the grading system in science. So this refers to the science subject. And I'm going to show them as well the curriculum overview. And the classroom rules, the showing respect to not just to the teacher but also to the classmates and the learning environment, and the coming to class prepared, and maintaining an organized class environment, engaging in different activities in the class, making assignments. Okay. So, nag-ano tayo dito, one by one sa mga classroom rules para po maintindihan ng mas maigi ng mga estudyante. And I'm going to show them their classroom schedule as well. Pero, since wala pa kaming schedule, ito lang po muna. Pero I have to finalize this one the day before our first day of unang araw ng pasukan. And as well, the weekly schedule. I have to edit that one. The subjects are the following. I have to revise this as well. Grading and assessment, written works. Yes, that's it. And subject teachers, yes, I have to revise this as well. And we have here activities. So getting to know each other. Then I have to prepare this as a teacher. And this one. So this is a way of the students to get to know each other. And yeah, so I have to revise this part as well. I'm gonna put the names of the students here in the color wheel. And yes, I'm going to ask them, how do you feel this? And spin the wheel again and ask this. Spin the wheel again. What are your interests? So spin the wheel again. Alright, spin the wheel again. What relations? Spin the wheel again. Relationship, I mean. Spin the wheel again. What are your strengths? Okay, so this is a very nice activity during the first day of unang araw ng pasukan sa school year na ito. So again, if you want to have a copy of this, feel free to send us an email para po mabigyan po kita ng kopya na nito. Ang dami. Fast forward, meron po tayo ditong wrap up. So what do you want your teacher to know about you? This is for the students na, individual. And let's have a great year. Done na po. That's it.